What's good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, I have a late pickup. Now, this was a pickup that I made in 2019, but it didn't come until after the new year. Happy New Year, by the way. 2020 is going to be something pretty interesting. So I hope a lot of you guys find joy and prosperity in the new year. So this is probably the last time that you guys will, well, if I don't get lazy, the last time that you guys will probably see the wall of shoes up on right behind me, because I am going to be taking that down. I'm going to do another video going into 2020 and then start all over. That's pretty much how the cycle of sneakers goes, right? So anyways, got a box right here. I kind of got a swoosh connect. I don't want to really like put that out there too much, but I guess it's for whatever pairs that I may need that might be up on there. So shout out to Ryan, thank you for offering that. I will not take too much of an advantage of you, but this one was very much appreciated, so thank you. So again, this was a late 2019 pickup that I didn't include in my other video. So any guesses? All right, there you go, the Jordan 4 Winterized right there. Style number is CQ9597 and color code 401. This is the Air Jordan 4 Retro Winterized in royal blue, black, and white. So let's check this out. Alright, so the Jordan 4 Winterized, there you go. I first saw this shoe at SneakerCon at the beginning of the month in December, and it really reminded me of the Fear Air Jordan series. You guys remember like the 3s, the 4s, and the 5s. So it reminds me a lot about the 5. The texture is not quite there with the 5 and the 4 Winterized, but the leather on there just feels amazing. Like I don't know with you guys if you guys ever picked this up, but this was kind of on the back burner for me. I was looking at it from afar. Again, I let you know that I did see this one at SneakerCon and I liked it, and even the initial pictures of it. It's a different type of shoe, probably not something I could like totally rock in Northern California because it doesn't snow, but again, you don't really need to wear these types of shoes in snow, although I guess it's appropriated for it. But anyways, so it's got that fleece interior right on the inside of the lining as well as the back of the tongue, so it's gonna keep you warm. Feels great. And then the upper, just the loyal blue hit of the shoe and the leather, it just really feels amazing. It's nice and smooth, a genuine material. So this is the left shoe, and then the right, same deal. The blue on here is just it's a different type of blue. It's got that dark looking blue here all throughout the shoe. It may look purple in video and pictures and stuff, and it does like hint towards that color, but you know, I love it. I think it's nice. If there's anything that I probably should change about the shoe, maybe the netting. The netting is like a rubber, and it's different from the traditional netting that you see on Air Jordan 4s. So it just seems that Jordan brand used this shoe for the purposes of the elements. But I think if it were me, I would still spray some type of protectorant on the shoe, whether that be like against snow or against rain. Again, I just got the shoe, so I'm not quite sure how we would do it in the elements. If you guys already have the shoe and you own the shoe, let me know down in the comment section below. It just comes with a cardboard shoe tree in there, black laces, no other type of laces that are included. It's got like a reddish type, orangish type backing on the tongue. It says Air Jordan upside down, and I think a lot of people even thought that these were like the poor man's M&Ms, although I don't really see that in the shoe. It is a different interpretation of it altogether. Overall, clean look of the shoe, the Winterized Air Jordan 4. Again, these sold for about 200 bucks. I think they did sit on sneakers and were slowly selling out. But anyways, let me know what your thoughts are on the shoe. This is, again, another late 2019 pickup that should have been in my previous video but wasn't, but it's all good. Alright, again, thank you, Ryan, for the assistance on this, and look forward to more transactions in 2020. as far as like the rest of the year is concerned, I'm not quite sure what I'll be picking up. It looks like February is probably going to be the next time I'll pick something up, but although in sneakers everything changes, I know the past 2 years it's always been February. So whether it be like Nike basketball sometime in January with like a Kobe, I remember one year it was like the Hyper Dunk, the United We Rise Hyper Dunk, and then this year we're getting the Kobe 5 Protro, the Chaos colorway, and I remember having those, and I sold those a while back because like I beat those, and something that I think I should have kept in the collection, although my wife always tells me that I should never really sell anything in the collection. But I mean, that's the trade-off with this hobby, is just something that you like, you're done with something, you pass it on, you're moving on, or you know, you hold on to it for memories. So anyways, it's a weird hobby. I know a lot of you guys love it. I love it, and I intend to stay here for quite some time. So anyways, that's it. Looking forward to some new pickups in 2020, hopefully some more videos, trying to get some more thoughts brewing as far as like what type of content you guys want to see. Somebody noted that they wanted to see I guess a Jordan chronological 1 through 14 and what he wore in his career. That's a daunting task, to be honest, because I want to be correct and be able to bring the correct information to all you guys. So there may be like 1 or 2 games that Jordan may have wore something or whatnot, and then like I don't think about that, or I don't do my research on it. So if I ever do something like that, I'd probably break it up into parts instead of something that is like all throughout, because that's going to be an entirely long video. And although you guys do, I do appreciate that you guys watch my long extended videos, like 30 minutes plus. Hopefully I bring good content for you guys to keep on watching. Alright, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. If you guys love the content that I do, subscribe to the channel, MJO23Dan. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.